So hello guys, welcome back to KO Codes. So today's topic is going to be, we are gonna learn coding without laptop. That is, we are gonna use other alternatives to learn coding. So I'll be teaching you on the tools which you are gonna use, or which I'm gonna tell you which could be used for learning the coding itself. See, basically this is for people who actually don't able to afford to buy a laptop right now. So don't afford a laptop right now. See, this is a common problem out there. See, you will be a college students, you might be joining now itself, maybe right now this is March. The video I'm recording is March month. So if you are in your vacation, or if you have completed school and you are waiting to join a college, and if you want to learn something, there is a high chance that you might not have a laptop. So here we are going to see some tools which makes you productive during your free time, or even if you have laptop, you should have mindset to learn new technologies and new coding languages out here. So I'll just share the set of tools out there with me. So the first tool is coding C++. So this is basically an IDE. So IDE means integrated development environment. So this is an IDE platform. So this will have a very good coding environment. So here you can use your mobile keyboard itself. So you can use your mobile keyboard itself to type all the C++ programs. So all the syntax, the basic main programs will be there, and basic hello world programs will be there. So you can use the IDE and you can explore all the C++ concept out here. So it will have all the functionalities, even it has the functionalities of standard template, libraries and all. So you can use this tool and you can maximize the potential by learning C++ here. And the second tool I can tell you is that, so the second tool I can tell you is Solo Learn. So this is a platform, like Solo Learn is an educational platform. So it is basically a Edu platform where you can do certifications on coding certifications in any language. Like you can take C, C++, Java, SQL. So you can do any kind of certifications for free. Like it's free of cost only, and it covers all the basics. It covers all basics to you. So which makes you which makes you very confident, and to learn advanced concept, this basics will help you a lot. So for clearing the basics and to complete a certification is a very big thing. For this you don't need a laptop, so that's also a very big thing. You can complete a certification in C or C++ or Java, SQL, Python, or any programming language. You can complete a certification using mobile phone and this application itself. And tool 3, this is not actually a coding platform, but this will help you to make yourself stand out from the crowd. That is LinkedIn. So what I can tell you is that, so you can use the tool 2. Tool 2 is what? Solo Learn. Okay. Solo Learn. Learn the concepts. Okay, and use tool 1 now. Tool 1 is what? Coding C++. Okay. And this tool is also powerful. Why? Because you can code both C and C++. You can code C and C++ both in one platform itself. That's why I told coding C++. So now you can explore the concept, or you can type new code, new programs in this. Okay, you can type new programs itself and learn from here. Okay, and third thing, what is the power up is that, so now tool 3, I'm going to use LinkedIn. Okay, tool 3 is LinkedIn, right? So here I'm gonna post my activity, like I learned something from Solo Learn and I applied it in this so and so platform. And I can, when I post this way, and if I put some proper hashtags, and you can add the coding snapshot, the code snapshot for better reach as well. Okay, code snapshot for better reach. So if you do this way, okay, you will become very productive as well as you can get to stand out from the crowd. So this is the strategy I can give it to you. So if you are able to use this strategy and if you are used to leverage your potential to the maximum, you don't need to have a laptop to learn coding at the initial stages. Okay. So guys, let's look into the first tool, which is coding C++. So this is something I told you, right? So you can use this platform itself to type uh, C++ coding thing, and you can, you can type. I'll just type here int a comma b. So you can learn concepts from Solo Learn and you can apply the same here. See, all these and all, basic keyboard only. Right now I am typing it in my tablet, but you can type it in phone itself. So let me just type it, and it is easy for run as well. So if I click on run button, it will be able to run this. Yeah, so now when I type here, see, it's properly compiling and properly running the code. And when I click enter again, it will come back to the old menu. So here I am able to write all the complex code out here, even if I can import the standard template libraries as well. So this is something a very big advantage. So you can learn C++ without using laptop. So even during my college days, I uploaded my lab records by compiling all my C++ code using this coding C++ platform without laptop itself. Okay, so let us just look into the second tool, that is Solo Learn. So this is the Solo Learn application. So you need to log in and complete your initial step. So this is my early stage profile. So this is the profile I used during my first year of my college before buying a laptop. So as you can see, it has both Pro as well as and regular version. In the free version itself, you will be able to complete certification. So during that time, I was able to complete 8 certificates. Even if I want to generate the same certificate, if I can click on that, but you once completing the course, you'll be getting the certificate. If I can confirm the details now, so it will be creating a certificate from Solo Learn, and it will be like this. So once, so I will be able to share the same anywhere else, like, and this certificate is valid from Solo Learn. Okay, so I can add it in my LinkedIn profile as well, which is a very big thing. Yeah, and if I want to learn more, I can use any courses out there. I can learn it for free. And the other advantage here is that there are some games out there. So here you can take coding challenges where you have to predict the output of the code. For this, you need to learn a lot of skills on debugging, and you need to learn a lot of skills on input and output. Attending this coding challenges will help you to master that skill. And this bug hunter with AI, this is a new functionality. I don't know whether it's available right now. Okay, it's there for Python, SQL, and JS. So if you're learning this, you can use this basically. So you need to describe the bug in AI, and you know, uh, you can ask the AI and find the bug out here. So you can try this as well. And yeah, this is also definitely helpful. And what I personally like is the code challenges, because here this will help you to master the input output concepts. Like you will be able to predict the output of the code without even looking into AI or without even compiling. That is a very good skill, and that will help you to stand out from the crowd on a very big level. I'm just putting a disclaimer again. So basically this is a disclaimer. I'm sorry for putting it at the end. So this video is intended for learning purposes. Like I'm not advocating you to not use laptop, but this video is for learning purposes only. If you don't have a laptop, or if you are not able to have a laptop right now, you need to learn something, right? Or you need to learn coding somehow. So this video will help you to learn coding. And secondly, whenever you are able to get the laptop, whenever you are able to get that, start practicing there itself. Okay, because we have the drawback here. So when you are good with these programming languages and all, no, to advance this you need to learn something called data structures. Okay, so you can learn in mobile or you can learn without laptop, that's fine. But one minute, you can learn without laptop, but for DSA, the same data structures algorithm practice, you need a laptop. Laptop is must needed. Why? Because those environments are not mobile friendly right now. So those ENVs are not mobile friendly. So you can learn whatever things from related to DSA, related to coding languages, related to whatever is productive to you. Learn everything from mobile, and then once you are able to get a laptop, we need to practice there. That will help us. That will help you to bring more fluidity in the coding languages. And the other drawback is you won't be able to do development. Like you won't be able to do things like web development, app development, and like database management, like that. So that will be a tough thing if you don't have a mobile phone. So these two are the drawbacks, potential drawbacks I feel. Okay, but still you can manage to learn a lot of things without using laptop itself. And before finishing this video, I would like to thank you all, and please to like the video, and please do comment on this video if you feel anything misaligning, or if you feel to criticize, feel free to criticize in the comment. And please do subscribe, that will help me to motivate to put more videos. Yeah, thank you all.